Are you shocked to learn the dark truth behind your morning glass of milk? You might think of milk as a wholesome, nutritious staple, but there's a lot more to the story than meets the eye. You might want to sit down for this. The reality of dairy farming is far from the idyllic scenes often portrayed in advertisements. The dairy industry's sunny ads paint a pretty picture of happy cows grazing in green pastures, living carefree lives under the open sky. But the reality is far more sinister. Behind the scenes, the conditions are often bleak and distressing for the animals involved. From forced impregnation to premature separation of calves from their mothers, the life of a dairy cow is anything but idyllic. These practices are standard in the industry, designed to maximize milk production at the expense of animal welfare. Cows are artificially inseminated repeatedly, kept in confined spaces, and subjected to relentless milking. The constant cycle of pregnancy and lactation takes a heavy toll on their bodies. Their calves are taken away shortly after birth, causing immense distress to both mother and child. The bond between a cow and her calf is strong, and this separation is deeply traumatic. This cycle of exploitation continues until the cows are deemed spent and sent to slaughter. After years of relentless milking, their bodies are worn out, and they are no longer profitable to the industry. The physical toll on these animals is severe. Many suffer from injuries and chronic pain due to the harsh conditions they endure. Chronic pain, mastitis, and reproductive issues are rampant. Mastitis, a painful infection of the udder, is particularly common due to the constant milking and unsanitary conditions. Despite claims of high welfare standards, undercover investigations reveal a different story. Abuse and neglect are disturbingly common. These investigations have uncovered shocking instances of cruelty and mistreatment. The dairy industry's deceptive marketing hides these harsh truths, portraying a false narrative of humane treatment. They invest heavily in advertising to maintain a positive image and keep consumers in the dark. But consumers are waking up. More and more people are becoming aware of the realities of dairy farming and are seeking alternatives. With the rise of plant-based alternatives and increased awareness, more people are choosing compassion over cruelty. Plant-based milks, such as almond, soy, and oat milk, offer a cruelty-free option that is better for the animals and the environment. Next time you grab that milk carton, remember the hidden suffering behind it. Consider the impact of your choices on the animals and the planet. Make informed choices, and let's push for a future where animal exploitation is no longer the norm. Because every choice counts. By choosing plant-based alternatives, you can help reduce the demand for dairy and support a more humane and sustainable food system. Together, we can make a difference for the animals and the planet.